Accidentally deleted your photos or videos? Don't panic. Here's how to recover them in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Check recently deleted folder. First, check your recently deleted folder. On iPhone, go to Photos, Albums, Recently Deleted. On Android, open Google Photos, Library, Trash. Restore what you need. Step 2. Use cloud backup. Did you back up your files? Check Google Photos, iCloud, or OneDrive. If they're there, just re-download them. Step 3. Use a recovery app. Still missing? Try recovery apps like DiskDigger, Android, or Dr.Fone, iPhone and Android. These can scan and restore lost files. Step 4. Check your PC or external storage. If you transferred your files before, check your computer, external drive, or SD card for backups. Closing scene. Happy user with recovered files. And that's it. Your photos and videos are back. Like and share if this helped.